Hi guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle in today's additional of the newspaper of Monday, May the 16th, 2022. Yes, I've already solved the 3 stars Sudoku, the binary puzzle, and now it's time for the last puzzle, the Tectonic with 4 stars. Alright, is it really a 4 stars? I do not know. We will see. But this will be number 456. Oh. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 13 printed digits. Well, the hard ones, Tectonic with 4 stars, the hard ones has always 8, 9, 10, 11 printed digits. So 13 should be an easy one. Well, and for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here the single box, always a 1. Oh, wait. Dual boxes. Do we have dual boxes in this puzzle? No dual boxes. I see here triple box. There, triple box. And when you see the triple box, well, this one, the 2's already filled in. So those 2 boxes could be the 103. Yeah, 103. Yes. Here, I cannot fill this yet. Need to know. We need to wait for more information. When you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, can only be 4 or 5. 4 or 5. Same for this triple box, 4 or 5. But we already have a 5 there, so it can't be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box should be a 5. Okay. Triple box. Quadra boxes. Then, do we have quadra boxes in this puzzle? Yes, only one. Quadra box contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 2. Can it be a 2? So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And the other numbers, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. The following strategy. Yes, then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. Yeah, let me draw this here. Here, yes. When you see this kind of shape, we remember that this box has always the same name as that box. This box has always the same name as that box. Here, another 1. This box has always the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Here, rotated. This box has always the same name as that box. Do we have only 1? Yes, we have only 1 shape or figure that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Well, there are more, a maximum 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 1. Well, we'll see if this is really difficult. So the next step is, let's get starting filling those numbers, because the question is, why do you need to know those figures or shapes? Why do you need to recognize? Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Can it be a 1? That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Can it be a 1? So the 1 could be here, could be there. 1, yes. These two boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3. That means that this box cannot be a 1. We have a double 1 there. So no 1 in this box. This box can also not be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. If I fill a 1 here, I cannot place any 1 in one of those two boxes. So this box cannot be a 1. That box can also not be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box can be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Ooh. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 4 because we have a double 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Then. Let me think. Ooh. These 3 boxes surround the 3. Can it be 3? So the 3 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 2. Can it be a 2? So the 2 could be here, could be there. Yeah. I'm thinking. Not easy at all. These 2 boxes can be a 5. Those 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. I'm thinking. This box can be a 5. But that box can also not be a 5. Because if this is 5, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. But we already have a 5 there. So it cannot be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Can it be a 1? So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes in this triple box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this triple box. For the numbers 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3. Well, I cannot place the 3 here because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 it goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this W area shape should be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for the numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5, we have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 3 because we have a double 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Interesting. Now we have a 2 here. These 2 boxes can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. And I've eliminated the 1. So the 1 goes here. 2 boxes left in this W area shape for the numbers 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. well, I cannot place the 4 here because we have a double 4 there. If I place the 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. This box can be A2. That box can be A2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes for the 5. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. Well, I cannot place the 3 here. We have a double 3 there. If I place the 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Overlook this one. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. Now we have a 5 here. So this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 4. I think this box should be a 1. Because it can be 2. Can it be 3? Can it be 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 1. So 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Well, this box is connected with that box, should be also 2 and a 4. But we already have a 2 there, so it can be 2 anymore. This box should be a 4. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 1 box left in this area for number 2. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 3. These 2 boxes can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that that box cannot be a 3 anymore. If I place the 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not a solution to place the 3 there. The 3 is supposed to be here. Alright. Now we have a 4 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 4. So now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Alright. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 2. 3 and a 2. Well, this box can be a 1. This box can be a 4. So the 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 1 and 4. So 1 digit left in this quadruple box for the number 3. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 2. Now we have a 3 there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 3. So this box can be a 3 and more. That box should be a 3. These 2 boxes can be 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be here. Then I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 4. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 4 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4, it goes there. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes here. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 2. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2, it goes there. And I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Told you, 13 printed digits. Cannot be a 4 stars. Cannot be a 3 stars. Cannot be a 2 stars. It's definitely a 1 star because I'm faster than 15 minutes. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find a lot of playlists in my channel. Playlists for the tectonics, playlist for the binaries, playlist for the letter Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, and also for the samurai Sudokus, aka quintuplet. All kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Monday. We will meet again tomorrow on Tuesday. Until then, bye bye for now.